Welcome to our channel. Smart course management often matters more than perfect execution. These strategic principles help you score better with your current game. Step 1. Play away from trouble, not toward targets. Aim your shots to avoid hazards rather than attacking pins. The middle of the green beats the hazard every time, even when the pin is tempting. Step 2. Understand your true distances and dispersion patterns. Most amateurs overestimate their abilities. Know your average distances, not your best, and plan accordingly. Step 3. Use the entire tee box strategically. Tee on the side that provides the best angle and maximizes your room for error based on your typical shot shape. Step 4. Lay up to your favorite distances on par 5s. Don't automatically hit driver 3 wood if you're more comfortable from 100 yards than 70. Calculate backwards from the green. Step 5. Club up and swing easier under pressure. Nerves add tension that reduces distance. Taking extra club allows smoother swings that maintain distance and control. Step 6. Accept bogey as a good score on difficult holes. Playing for par from everywhere leads to big numbers. Strategic bogey golf beats aggressive approach that risks doubles and triples. Step 7. Study each hole before playing. Identify hazards, optimal landing areas, and pin positions. Create a plan rather than reacting on the tee. Step 8. Play to your strengths and avoid your weaknesses when possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.